Hi guys, welcome to Sharon's Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you 3 quick ways of inserting blank pages into a Word document. The first way is going to be using the ribbon. So for example, you can see we're on page 10 at the moment. I want to insert a blank page after page 10. The first thing you need to do is place your cursor on the page before where you want the blank page to be. So I'm going to put the cursor here. Then on the ribbon, go to Insert and go to Blank Page. And if you scroll down, you'll now see that page 11 is blank and then it moves on to page 12. So that's the first way. I'll just undo this and show you one quick thing that you need to be aware of. Let me just undo that. If, for example, you had the cursor here instead and you went to Insert Blank Page, the content that was below the cursor is now automatically moved to the page after the blank page. So any content that you have on the same page after where you place the cursor is automatically moved to the page following the new blank page. So just bear that in mind wherever you place the cursor. If you want the blank page to be after the page you're on, make sure the cursor is at the very end of the content on that page. So that's the first way. The second way is using line breaks. Now this is a real tedious way of adding a blank page, but basically all you do is keep pressing the Enter key to move down, and you just keep scrolling down until the content is on the following page, and that's another way of having a blank page. The third way of inserting a blank page is to use a keyboard shortcut. So this is a real quick way of adding a blank page. If you put the cursor at the end of the page before where you want the blank page to be and use the keyboard shortcut Control and Enter, and this will insert a page break. So you can see there's now a blank page there. To see where your page breaks are located, if you make sure you're on the Home tab on the ribbon, go over to the paragraph section here and click on the Show Hide Formatting Marks. And you can see here, this is the page break that's just been inserted. And there's actually already another page break on the following page anyway. So that's inserted the blank page. And then to get rid of the marks, just press the Show Hide button again. And you can see that there. So a real handy way of seeing where your blank pages are and the actual layout of your document is to view the thumbnails of the pages. So to do this, go to the View tab on your ribbon and go to the Show section here and tick the box Navigation pane. And you'll see the navigations here. So this lists all your headings in order. And if you just click on Pages, this is the thumbnail images of your pages. So you can see here, page 10 was what we were working on. Page 11 is actually blank now. And again, you can move this so you can have like double width pages here, or you can have it so it's single. And that's it. A real quick way of adding in blank pages into your Word document. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or any other tips regarding blank pages in Word, please leave them in the comments below. Hit the like button to give the video a like, and until next time, happy learning.